Wszyscy, tak? Dobra. DBM Paul.
Chcesz go mieć... Czekaj, to zaraz jeszcze nie. Chcesz go mieć Petit w grupie, tak?
No,
już zmienili.
już go ma.
Nie ma.
Ja nie tankuję jadów. W sensie łebów.
Okej.
Teraz, tak?
No, bo nie on jest tylko zasięgu.
DBM Paul.
Wejdź sobie tak mi da, synu.
No, I had to recount, not post, and I had to pause it right now. I missed like 2 casts of lightning bolt.
Where is Bill?
Without.
Nie rozumiem, mówił mi, że bierze tu LP, teraz
Orbs
mi
incoming.
tankuje bossa.
Miretis,
Dobra, już się
Never
wezmę,
mind.
no jakaś...
okay, in time
jakaś
I
akcja.
should orbs. Whelps, I mean.
Że po prostu na trzeciej fazie.
I'm such a retard, honestly. I didn't change my glyphs. Rip deeps.
Watch out for whelps.
No, they don't... You won't kill them.
Second phase.
Rąbek.
Don't kill them yet.
Use salvation on warriors.
Yeah, warriors need to salve.
Chyba nic nie zebrał, chociaż może zebrali. I teraz pobieg pod bossa, czyli ja biorę Dragon Kina, no okej.
A wrak się zbugował. Paul.
Mam nadzieję, że weźmie ULP później, tak jak powiedział.
Johnny, are you taking the first hit trapped on the ad?
Dude,
Okay,
I don't
X. Go on the X now.
know. Okay, I'll do
Dragon
it.
King, guys, Dragon King. Where are you?
Spawning? Oh, it's in the back. Oh yeah? I'll do the next one.
The right one is dead.
Nice.
Kongren, you're taking the next hit trapped. With the repentant. Trapped it. Good.
Not this time, bro.
Yeah, it's fine. He didn't cast a spell.
Kill Drake.
Mirage, you're talking that now, or not?
Yes, he is.
Taunt.
Okay. Because you didn't talk it in the first.
Orbs, be careful.
There is a that boss.
Avenia, you need to cancel your elemental, I think, because it's killing the whelps, or you don't need to.
Fucking rip.
Yeah, it sucks. Volcano procced like second after I popped mine. Orbs again.
Left side. Or
Left side. Kaldorn, it's not hero.
Alright, kill whelps.
Orbs again. Be careful.
They should nerf Shadow Priests, they're OP.
Trochę blisko zbijają te welpy, no ale...
Orbs again. We're gonna need a CD. Nelka Aura Mastery na brefie, jak ci powiem. Teraz.
User in your channel timed out.
Kurwa, ja jestem tankiem?
Rzucił banie na siebie z welpami.
User entered your
One
channel.
more well. The boss.
Okay, Kerkat, I will need you to trunk right as the next breath.
Tank car. Orbs.
Yeah. Okay. To teraz masz trunku?
Ja displuję.
Aha, dobra.
Ja mam.
To Bellon dasz na następnym brefie.
Może RC jest jeszcze czy nie? A nie mamy.
Dasiek masz?
Mam.
To daj.
No tylko na brefie.
RC Stasiek?
Orbs,
Orbs
right
again,
side.
again.
Wy narzekacie na moje tankowanie welpy.
Zamknij się.
We have still 20 seconds for the debuff. I mean for the buff.
Yeah, and we will have Bloodlust.
Man, you see, you should use it at the start.
Madavak, next breath you will use Railing Cry. Orbs, don't fuck this up, please.
Kill Myra. Using cooldowns.
Easy.
Oh,
Nice.
36.7. You see, Shadow Priest is OP, man. No.
Yes. I win.
No.
Only on this
Oh
boss.
my
you
God.
Only
know.
OP if you know how to play it, and not a lot of people do.
Cats, and be like, fuck you guys.
Sneak.